How can I connect to MySQL in Python 3 on Windows? I am using ActiveState Python 3 on Windows and wanted to connect to my MySQL database. I heard that MySQL was the module to use. I can't find MySQL for Python 3. Is there a repository available where the binaries exist for MySQL? How can I connect to MySQL in Python 3 on Windows?
There are currently a few options for using Python 3 with MySQL. This URL. Officially supported by Oracle, pure Python, a little slow, not compatible with MySQL. This URL. Pure Python, faster than MySQL connector, almost completely compatible with MySQL, after calling pymysql.install_as_MySQL. This URL. Fork of PyMySQL with optional C speedups. This URL. Django's recommended library, friendly fork of the original MySQL, hopes to merge back someday, the fastest implementation, as it is C-based, the most compatible with MySQL, as it is a fork. Debian and Ubuntu use it to provide both Python MySQL and Python 3 MySQL packages. Benchmarks here, this URL.
You should probably use PyMySQL, pure Python MySQL client instead. It works with Python 3.x, and doesn't have any dependencies. This pure Python MySQL client provides a DB API to a MySQL database by talking directly to the server via the binary client/server protocol.example. If you want to use MySQL, first you have to install PyMySQL on your PC by typing in cmd of Windows. Then in Python shell, type. This will establish the connection.
I also tried using PyMySQL on my Win7x64 machine, Python 3.3, without too much luck. I downloaded the tar.gs, extract, ran setup.py install, and everything seemed fine. Until I tried connecting to a database, and got key error, 56. An error which I was unable to find documented anywhere. So I gave up on PyMySQL, and I settled on the Oracle MySQL connector. It comes as a setup package, and works out of the box. And it also seems decently documented.
How much